My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I've worked thousands of cases. I worked at IRS well over a decade, and I've been doing this for, God, I don't know, 50 years. I am an expert in IRS matters. I worked as a revenue officer. It was in the collection division. I have a whole team of former agents on staff. You can look at all that crap on my website at 777irs.com. You know, I get a lot of questions, and I like to get information out to people. And many people do not file their tax returns, and they don't want to work on their IRS problem because there's a fear that IRS is going to seize their house. I would say if I would take a survey, at least 65% of the people who haven't filed returns, they're afraid of IRS because they're going to lose something, either their bank account, their wages, their levy, their asset, and mainly their house, if they have one. IRS isn't going to take your house. They don't want your house. They're not in the real estate market. When I was at IRS, we used to seize houses. I seized plenty. Nowadays, IRS will have nothing to do with that. They will put a federal tax lien on your house and sit there. So I'm telling you, if you have an IRS problem and you have unfiled returns or you owe back debt and you have this fear of what IRS is going to do, most of that fear isn't right. So don't let that fear hold you back from filing your tax returns. You only have to file the last 6 years if you haven't filed years and years of tax returns. There's an IRS policy statement, P5133, that says you only have to file 6 years. That's all you got to file. So if you were to call us, call whoever you want. If you call us, we get those tax returns filed, and usually we can work out a settlement or uncollectible payment or offer within a couple months. We look at your financial statement. We walk you down the path holding your hand. Stop being in fear of the IRS. As long as you have a good representative, nothing's going to happen. If you're going to do this on your own, do it, but do a lot of due diligence so you understand the process. Now you know the truth. You've heard it from a former IRS agent. Do me a favor, give me a subscription. I really appreciate it. I kind of take you behind the scenes of IRS work. Thank you very much.